Do you ever feel like your life is just filled with chaos and you're never quite sure where to start? I'm Allyson Lewis, founder of the 7 Minute Life, and today we're going to be covering a topic that many people face. And I'm going to start by saying busy was killing me. As you watch this class, you're going to find out that you are absolutely not alone. If you find yourself living with clutter and chaos, distractions, and these constant interruptions, and you feel disorganized, one of the biggest problems is that people lack focus. But all of these time management problems lead to that feeling of feeling overwhelmed and stuck, frozen, and absolutely exhausted. So if you feel like you're drifting on a raft in the middle of the ocean, just letting life take you where it takes you, then you've come to the right place. I'm going to share with you how you can prioritize, organize, and simplify your life at work and at home. So let's dive in. What I want to share with you today is more than just a definition of what time management is. We have to start at the beginning. We have to start with what is time management. Time management is a process of planning. And I think that's why it's so hard, is that we've never been really taught, how do I create a plan of action? It's also about organizing and efficiently using your time to accomplish something. It's not just about getting things done, it's about getting the right things done. In order to do that, we need to have that clarity where we're accomplishing specific tasks, we're leading towards reaching specific goals, and we know our responsibility and what we need to accomplish. So it's time to simplify what you focus on every day. There's some questions that I want to ask you. What activities move you toward your goals? Are you focusing on those things? What do you really need to get done today? At the end of the day, what do you want to accomplish? How are you prioritizing the task on your to-do list? And do you have a system? The 7 Minute Life is about taking 7 minutes in the morning, 7 minutes in the evening. It's about creating repeatable habits. And it all begins with having a written daily plan of action. This is what we see a lot of people do. If this sounds familiar, where you just have some random sheet of paper with various things written down, this is not a to-do list. What you're seeing right now is a don't forget to-do list. As you look at the items on this list, they're vague, they're unrealistic, they're not measurable in any way, they're not even actionable. What does finish research mean? Or check email? There's no outcome of that. As you're looking at this to-do list, it becomes obvious that you may need a better to-do list, a better process. These things are very vague, unrealistic. I want you to do some contemplation. Is your to-do list measurable? Is it truly actionable? Is it prioritized? Because this to-do list doesn't even have any of those things, including there's a lack of deadline. When you're looking at a to-do list, a better to-do list will always help you reach clear goals. Let's see how you can do that. If busy is killing you, there is a better way. It's time to up the ante on your time management skills. This is where it begins. The 7 Minute Life Daily Progress Report is a single sheet of paper. It's a sheet of paper that's going to help you get organized. It's a tool to help you have a feeling of accomplishment, to move forward towards your goals. It gives you an opportunity to live a more fulfilling life, to increase your focus and clarity, and even reduce your stress. Even as you look at this, you know that having a structured plan is going to make your time management all the better. Let's just take a quick look inside how the daily progress report works. It's going to give you a clear written plan of action. The daily progress report provides a structured template for organizing your day. It's going to prompt you to set and accomplish specific goals. This sheet of paper is going to help you prioritize your task and stay focused, because you'll be able to see them right in front of you. first step is to take ownership of your day. You'll see the days of the week here. Each day is a fresh start. But when we take that daily progress report, we put a stake in the ground and we take ownership of our day so that it makes us responsible for what we will choose to let on our list. There are three parts to accomplishing your to-do list. The first one is getting it out of your mind on a sheet of paper in writing so that you actually know what you could do. The second step is then taking that to-do list and prioritizing each of those items in order of importance. As you look at your to-do list, being able to say, this is something that I'll do today, this can wait. These are things that need to be accomplished because I have a deadline due tomorrow or someone's waiting for me. So being able to filter through the things on your to-do list and prioritize them. But the third step, we often forget. The third step is about writing down how long you think the task will actually take to accomplish. We all underestimate how long things will take, and we overestimate how many things we can get done. And that's when things start piling up, and we just have this enormous list of things that we haven't completed. And all of those things that we haven't completed hang over us. It's like we've made a commitment to accomplish something and we've broken that promise with ourselves. Time management, when we have poor productivity, we have this sense of guilt. It's amazing how important it is to take ownership of your day, to create a proper to-do list, to prioritize those tasks in order of importance, and to make sure you're allocating enough time to actually accomplish the task. First thing, you write it all down. Second thing, you prioritize it. You estimate how long. And then you move into the most important section on the 7-minute life, time management, written plan of action. We call this section creating your 5 before 11 list. If you're like most people, you have some kind of list somewhere, either in your mind or on your desk. But what would happen if every day you took 7 minutes to decide these are the most important things I'll accomplish today? In fact, not just these are the few things, but what if you could create a habit of writing down the 5 most important things that you'll commit to accomplish before 11 a.m.? Imagine your productivity when you have crystal clear goals. You know that this is what you want to accomplish. These are the 5 most important things that will help you get there, and you make a commitment to mark them off your list one at a time, starting and completely finishing each task before you move forward. If you were to accomplish 5 high-value actions before 11 a.m. every day, you would accomplish 35 high-value actions. So that's the secret to time management. There are a lot of other things that we'll cover. So if you've enjoyed today's video about getting started, mastering time management by just having a better to-do list, then be sure to subscribe to our channel, smash that like button, and leave a comment. Tell us, what are the time management things that you struggle with? What are your common problems? We're going to try to help you answer those questions. So stay connected. I'm Allyson Lewis, founder of the 7-Minute Life. I am so glad you've been here today, and let us know how we can help you. I'll see you in the next video.